Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Plants vs. Zombies. Dun dun, dun dun, dun dun dun, dun 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 dun. Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing some more levels. Dun. Ever played a game called Whack-A-Zombie? I played Whack-A-Mole, but not Whack-A-Zombie. It's just like, it's a Squirbo. That's kind of, I forgot what those are called. They're not called Squirbles, you idiot. Instead of a shovel, it's a melt. Don't you use melt in the game too? What? Instead of you, it's me. Okay, well, yes, we're the one playing it. Okay, this is cool. Guys, this is cool. Okay, I'm gonna freaking smack all these zombies. Okay, this is cool, look at this. I feel like I'm a ninja right now, what the heck? Oh, and... Oh, we can plant stuff. We can plant stuff, that's amazing. Eat that grave. Why are you guys so annoying? Ugh. Ugh. Okay, guys. Bam. Bam, bam, boom. Boom, beep, beep. Dead? Why did another one grow? What the heck? No. Hey. Oh my gosh, these zombies are so annoying. Die. No one likes you. You're gross. Go figure. You're dead. Die. Put that right there. I'm gonna make a hole in there. Die? You die? Okay, guys, so yeah. Oh my gosh! The bucket head zombies are smart. The bucket head zombies are actually smart, guys. What the heck? This is too powerful. They are actually too powerful. Final wave, okay. Oh, what? What the heck? Look, guys. Why are these zombies so annoying? What's that thing? Why does that thing look so cool? Guys, why does that character look so cool? Huggy Wuggy. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's another ripoff of Huggy Wuggy. I mean, Poppy Playtime. Or did I just say Poppy Playtime? Oh no, guys, wait, Red and Blue Stickman Season 2. Okay, what the flip is this, guys? I'm getting mad at all these dumb games. Nick is... Okay, I'm gonna have so much fun with that. Oh, we're gonna get another mushroom when we beat this level. Okay, I'm definitely getting this one. I'm gonna love that one. No. Bam, bo, bop, beep, bam. Is there anything? Maybe we should get a boom zombie. Anyone that doesn't want to die? No one. Okay, let's just go. Hey, maybe we should look on the animal thing in I don't even know how the heck to say it. Bam, boom. There, we got a thing. Hey, if we watch an ad, we can put a rake right there. Yeah, let's watch an ad. Ads are I regret watching that ad. I regret watching this ad. That is cool. Guys, I hate this. What? Okay, I got a break. Oh my gosh, is that where the zombies get spawned, guys? Do you think that's where the zombies get spawned? Just put that right there. I'm just gonna use the same strategy as last time, by the way, guys. Just to let you know, just gonna use that same strategy. I knew it! I knew the zombies could have spawned there. Probably because the break was there. That's what you get, you dumb zombie. Hey, why does it give us more? It's one. That's kind of mean. Oh, but I don't have the bomb ones, and I'm supposed to put those there. Oh, whatever. It doesn't make any difference as long as I don't die by it. As long as I don't get my brains eaten by zombies. Stay away from me, you freaking dumb zombie! No one likes you. And we are going to use that new mushroom. Okay, just kill them. Well, you guys are risking your life to save my life. Just keep killing them. And also, by the way, guys, I'll give you the hint to the Nick Angel's Adventures. PVZ. Just guess what? Guess that. Look that up, and then you'll find out. Then you guys are probably gonna know instant. You guys probably know that because oh, hypno mushroom. Let's see. Okay, guys, let's see what it does. What do you think it's gonna do, guys? Let's see. Is it actually gonna turn into a plant? Maybe it'll actually do that. Please do that. Nah, it won't. Oh, it goes backwards. So that's us. Wait, will it fight the zombie that's coming? It's probably only for when there's like a million zombies behind. I like that zombie though. He's helping me. I like him. He's a good person. He's a good man. Oh, we got this. We got the pea shooters. Kill him, guys. Why you guys are supposed? Oh no. Well, at least there's a peanut right there. I don't like those basketball zombies. They suck at basketball. Seriously. Stop that, you idiot. No one likes you, you dummy. Poo-poo, dummy. Poo-poo. Okay, honestly, that's not nice, so I shouldn't be saying all that. Sorry, dude, but I'm really sorry, but I have to kill you. Is that okay? Wait. Hey, yo, why aren't you dying? Guess what you're gonna do? Oh, no. Oh, no. Hey, you stay away. No. Guys, that was so close. Okay, just kill him. He's not a good influence, you know. Please give me a son, otherwise I will murder you. No! Stay away from my team. You know. Fight me. Yeah, fight for me. Okay, he fighted for me. Good job. Now I spared him, guys. Don't worry, he's not dead. He's just walking. Just get away from me. If you see any zombies going that way, kill them immediately. Oh, he's fighting. He's gonna fight him. Look. Oh, no! He died. I named him Roger. I don't know why. That's his little first name. That's what the name of one of our turkeys. I don't know why I thought of that, but goodness. Hey. Hey guys, why isn't he going? Okay. That was good. Okay. Hey. You stay away from me. Or I will kill you. Oh gosh, what the heck? Why is the phone ringing? Okay guys, hey. Oh guys, we're gonna die. What is this? Madness. No. Our friend died. No. Stay away from us. Yeah. Okay, if we can survive this, guys, then I think we're OP. We're OP if we can survive this. Bam. We got our team, guys. No! Stay away from our... Guys, what are we gonna do? No! Oh no! We have no defense! Bam! Oh no! Die! We're dead. We just lost the game. Well, R.I.P. What? There's lawn. I didn't know. I thought those were just decoration, like all the other stuff. What? Guys, that's so cool. I didn't know there were lawnmowers.
Zeta.
What?
The mysterious alien roommate.
What is
like
this?
Games, pancakes, drawing, and hanging out with the roomie caves. They're strictly friends, though. No exception. Right? These two have a company daily rhythm until ex-girlfriend
What
enters
the
the chat.